Hey guys, my name is Tyler Norman, and I wanted to make this video to explain to you guys why I'm making this YouTube channel. It's called Tyler Does It All. I'm currently in my tractor right now working, and I thought this would be a good time to make a video. So this is kind of like a preface, a prelude, a precursor, I don't know. Just a little bit of telling you what the channel's about, and I was thinking to myself, what should my YouTube channel be about? I'm not an expert in anything. Like, can I do all real estate or all tractor driving or all culinary stuff or all fishing? And I'm not an expert in any of those. So I consider myself a jack of all trades. So I know like 20% of a lot of stuff. So I guess what I'm gonna do is show you guys what I know fundamentally on how to get by on certain things, how to cook a good meal, down to how to get an eggshell out of your eggs that fell in there. Sometimes they're hard to get out, but I know the trick to get them out. And you know, I can drive a tractor, I can pick up sand and put it here and there. I can go fishing and catch fish. How to throw a baseball, I don't know, from A to Z. So some of my videos will be 10-20 seconds long, just telling you how to cut an avocado, get the pit out, and get out all the meat easily, cleanly and quickly. Up to 30-minute videos of me fishing and like where I am and where I live, and I don't know, it'll be entertaining, it'll be how-tos, you can learn. So that's gonna be the channel. I hope you like it. If you do, subscribe, like, and comment, and we'll see you guys later. See ya.